The claw truck has arrived. He's going out onto the bridge, and it's a wide thing. He's going to block that low bridge, so no worries about anyone trying to get on it. And I'm going to try to see him grab a tree or something. Okay, the other fellow's got his truck stopped. No one should be able to recognize him from here. The truck across the way is blocking traffic. Yeah, he went straight to that full-size tree. And they might just... I don't know if they just pull it completely off the road, or if they chunk it up and just move the chunk that's the biggest problem. But I know there's a wide spot over there where he can turn around. Okay, they're looking at what they're going to do and how they're going to do it. And they've got a dump truck here who's probably going to take the pieces away and dump them at the landfill. Because stuff that actually breaks down is okay in landfills. Guess what breaks down well? Trees. I'm trying to... They're just not doing anything yet. Oh well. I have seen the beautiful piece of kit there. The arm on that claw truck folds, and then the claw sits out front. I didn't want to take any images of it before it went by me because, like I said, I don't like to accidentally video other people. We've got these fellows over here. They're gonna be... Oh, there goes that claw. It's deployed. They're gonna... I don't know if they've got a backup camera on that thing or not. I hope they do. The claw is extended. I wish I had zoomed in earlier. I don't think it'll zoom now. Maybe just a little bit. He's backing up. All the beeping that goes with the backing and the backing and the beeping and the flashing. There we go. There goes that claw. Looks like they're able to kind of twist it and get it a little bit under there. And there's a... Oh yeah, he's hungry. So the mouth of that kind of opened up more. I apologize about the fog. Nothing I can do about it, but at least we can see it's something. And more random traffic headed this way, because there are people who live off south of here that this is basically their way to civilization. They come up this little side road and they make the corner, and then they either turn one way or the other. Oh, there's that claw with the tree in it. That claw truck is a beautiful piece of kit, and I'm sure the road and bridge guys are glad to have it. Then again, they've got enough low water crossings that they're probably running 2 or even 3 of these trucks and going everywhere. I met another citizen down here from Jamaica. He said every bridge they've got is like this. Every time it rains, it looks like this. And I said, well, I've never been to Jamaica. What I like about it best is basically the food and the rum. But I don't really drink anymore. He would like to open a restaurant, but he said he'll probably settle with opening a food truck to get started because he doesn't have money. I think that sounds like a great idea because, whoa, splash! They just turned it loose on the other side of the bridge. I guess it'll keep breaking down in the water. Is that still visible? I can't really tell. I know the immediate goal today is just to get this little bridge usable. Because if an accident happens up here behind me, traffic could be cut off for a while they take care of cleaning up. Now they're going after the next big knot of stuff. I don't know how much the claw can grab at a time, but it's a pretty big claw. And there's also all the silt that it has caught in the leaves and branches. Here we go. That's a better shot right there. Yep, some dirt washed down with that nonsense. And splash down on the other side. That is so cool. I don't know what, if anything, is going to be left for the dump truck. Yeah, more like root knots or whatever gnarly bits they're getting over there. But I have to get home. My little dog is wondering where I'm at. And you know what? It's okay to be curious and be polite. I'm not trying to film the guys with the coffee cups. I'm trying to film the claw truck. Isn't that nice? You can see why they have to fold that up when they're not using it. More traffic. Claw truck. Yep, backing up a little bit more so they can grab some more of that tangle. Let's see. A little bit of stray garbage in that pile. Like leaves and branches and roots will break down. Even tree trunks will break down. But you know what? Your plastic cups and your soda cans and stuff and stray bags that get away you kept in your car because it might be useful, that stuff doesn't break down very fast. And I can hear more traffic coming up alongside of me. This bridge gets a lot of attention. Excuse me, sir? Huh? Not back there. Well, there's people have been coming out, so I think that other low bridge is probably clear enough to use. You should be able to get through. I just wanted to get that claw truck. That's awesome. Okay, that's the garbage company. He's got some bins he's got to get out to people. And look at that. That second pile is almost gone. And they're moving the stuff that would be the most trouble, that would block those little water chutes, out of the way from below the level of the bridge to off the other side where it will wash out. They didn't even have to drop any stabilizers to get this job done. That is so cool. It probably would have them. If I had the building of that kind of a truck, I would probably have some kind of stabilizer foot you can put down. But wow, that is really eating up that job. I can't tell if there's another root tangled in that. It looks like there might be. But they are picking up a lot of stuff from right there. The leaves will continue to break down. The twigs, the branches will continue. I mean, it's running water. It will, excuse me, it will get broken down and it will do what natural stuff does. I can still see a little bit of trash in that pile. Kind of makes me sad. And you will notice there are some chunks of logs along here. Chunky, chunky, chunky. And if I take a longer shot, you can kind of tell the foggy conditions along here. It was a heavy fog alert last night. Let's get back over here to this beautiful, sexy beast of a claw truck. I can't help it. I just love a good piece of kit. And that is some good kit. And they've still got small parts of the job. You can see branches and things. That's probably where the road rakes will get involved. But they are getting so much stuff moved a lot faster than if a few guys with a chainsaw and a tow rope got at it. Not that we don't have some who would. I don't happen to have a chainsaw, but you know, there's places where that's the best bit of maintenance is local people with chainsaws and shovels. Nothing against that. That's just how it works in the South. Especially know any of those Cajun Navy guys. They are the bomb. I've helped with communications on things that Cajun Navy does. I've helped, oh, there we go, extend that thing. Sometimes Cajun Navy hears about something before the government does, tries to get it took care of. People should not have to wait for help when there are willing people hanging around doing stuff. Now, I was thinking there was another, I don't know if that's a tree trunk or a root tangle. Right there. He's getting more branches. Another scoop of branches and mud first. And it looks like there's a broken off tree trunk in that. Maybe just a big limb, no telling. And swinging back over for more. That is gorgeous. I don't know if he's retracting it. I don't know. Going after the last pile or the last bit of tangle. Hard to tell. But no one else is allowed on that bridge while he's doing what he does, because he's got to have all the room to maneuver. Another little car coming by. Oh yeah. Look at that thing go. Yo, he figured out he could get some more. There's a bit of tangle. They don't really have, I think, much of that pile left to go. Alright, the waste company trash pickup guy is coming back by. He's a little bit in the way there. Must have been able to do what he needed to do, because he didn't have to stop and tell these guys to do the next little low bridge. And that's a prettier little area, but I don't need to get down in there. Okay. Watch that thing pulling. Shift the grip. Pull some more. Oh no, break it. You broke that chunk of log or whatever it was. I'm sure they've got something they can run through there, but sinking the claw down into the water and grabbing pieces now, I guess. But it was even broken off though. That is a lovely bit of work done. I need to get home. So, you see stuff like this going on, turn around, don't drown when it's the flooding. Get off to the side of the road. I'm completely out of the traffic where I'm at. Everyone has been able to come around me. I'm even behind the dump truck. I stopped well back. I'm not in the way of a claw truck. That's kind of important. Be safe wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Grandma wants you to be safe. And when you see something that needs taken care of, call your county road and bridge. Call your maintenance department, whatever it is you have where you live. He's picking up something on the downstream side of the bridge now. That thing's rocking. Extend it a little bit more. And rocking and rolling. I've been more interested in what the claw is doing. I didn't realize the body of that thing rocked so much. It has certainly been educational. For me, anyway. I've never run one of those things. I don't think I've ever seen it working. I've seen this bridge messed up a few times, but I have never seen that thing happening. And that thing is a beautiful beast. He's got to angle himself, point that claw at the next bunch, and make sure there's nothing specifically dangerous in it. Got the claw pointed. Dropping it down. Guy working on foot over there beyond it, but I'm just worried about what the claw's doing. And like I was saying, y'all be safe. Grandma wants you to be safe. Be as feral as you can be within decent limits. Look at that big handful. Yep. No tree trunk in that. That's just little branches of things. Yay. Claw truck going on YouTube. Love y'all. Be safe. Bye-bye.